to the blue line. Bogosian holds the puck in and tried to with a broken stick, and now he's going to get back without this. In come the Bruins. Good shot is just wide of the net from Bjork and bounces out front. Coyle's trying to get at it, and it's in the net. The signal from the referee behind the goals. That's it, and the Boston Bruins have taken a 1-0 lead early in game number 3. Furious forecheck here for Tampa to get the puck back again. Braden Colburn with a quick shot, scores! First time he got a shot, he was surprised, and it wasn't very hard, but Colburn snapped that one. May have been deflected in front, as most of them are in the playoffs with the Tampa Lightning. Zach Bogosian leads the rush, gets over the blue line, breaks through, passes in front, score! What a goal! Blake Coleman got it, but Zach Bogosian went almost coast to coast, and Tampa's on the board, 1-1. Takes over the other side. Pastrnak, no one-timer. Takes the shot, deflects it, score! And Marchand in his new position has the puck bounce off him into the net, and it's a 2-1 Boston lead. You know what? The playoff. Braden Point. Tampa tries to strike back. Point. Worked over by Clifton. Stays on the puck. Turns back again. Turns back one more time, opens up a little ice, and comes Shattenkirk with a shot, he scores! What an answer, and what a shift for Braden Point. On the other side. Breakaway pass to center. Here's Coleman from Hedman. Scores! Knocked down in front of the net. Carlo to Pastrnak. Kills the shot. Vasilevsky to save. Rebound is loose. Played back by Marchand because he couldn't shoot. Pastrnak side of the net. Marchand scores! Keeps the puck in. Andre Palat turns and fires off the end of the glove. Maroon with a wraparound attempt. There it is there. Palat scores! .440 into overtime. A couple of chances to clear. The Bruins couldn't get the puck out. And the Tampa Bay Lightning win the game 4-3 and tie the series.